The U.S. Air Force's upcoming Collaborative Fighter Aircraft (CCA) program is designed to serve as an autonomous drone wingman for the sixth generation F-47 NGAD, marking the beginning of a new era in air power, one in which automated and manned aircraft work in sync. The CCA drone, designed as a fighter, is being built to provide combat capability at a significantly lower cost than standard manned fighter jets. The CCA will be built with an emphasis on survivability, autonomy, and adaptability. The Air Force plans to purchase approximately 1,000 units, allowing 2 CCAs to be paired with each manned fighter aircraft. The result, in theory, will be a measurable increase in power, while controlling costs and reducing risks to human pilots. While the CCA is outwardly a blend of manned and autonomous platforms, the program undoubtedly represents the next step in the shift from manned fighters to autonomous unmanned fighters. If the CCA program proceeds smoothly, any fighter developed after the F-47 is expected to be entirely unmanned. The CCA program will feature 2 drones. The CCA program will feature 2 distinct platforms, the General Dynamics YFQ-42A and the Anduril Industries YFQ-44A. In March 2025, the Air Force designated both CCA platforms as fighter aircraft. The first time drones received the designation. The symbolism is clear, marking a doctrinal shift toward the use of unmanned aircraft. The YFQ-42A is a derivative of the XQ-67A demonstrator, which first flew in early 2024. The YFQ-44A is a derivative of Anduril's Fury drone. Both drones are part of the Air Force's Increment 1 program, which focuses on end-to-end missions and integration with manned fighter aircraft, such as the F-35 and F-47 NGAD. Ground testing for both CCA platforms began in May 2025. Initial flights are expected in late summer. The Air Force is expected to make a final production decision by the end of fiscal year 2026. Operational deployment of the CCA could begin as early as the late 2020s. What are the drone's capabilities? Each CCA is designed to maximize stealth and long-range capabilities. With a combat radius of over 700 nautical miles, each is expected to carry a payload of air-to-air missiles, such as the AIM-120 AMRAAM, and will rely on networked autonomy. These drones are estimated to cost between $25 and $30 million per unit, significantly less than modern manned fighters, such as the F-35, which costs more than $100 million per unit, and the F-47, which is estimated to cost hundreds of millions of dollars per unit. To further reduce program costs, the Air Force plans to keep the CCA in ready-to-fly storage, flying it only occasionally, to ensure readiness without the expense of a daily sortie schedule. In preparation for the CCA's arrival, the Air Force has established a dedicated CCA Aircraft Readiness Unit at Beale Air Force Base in California, currently the U-2 Dragon Lady Base and the former State Route 71 Blackbird Base. Beale will manage the logistics, maintenance, and readiness of the CCA program once it joins the fleet. The CCA program marks the next step in the evolution of air power and likely signals the beginning of the end. 4 manned fighter platforms.